Hello guys, welcome back to CEBOX tutorial channel, and this is our situation number 47 from CE Board Exam November 2021 for Structural Engineering and Construction. An eyebolt is subjected to three forces A, B, and C, where A is equivalent to 6 kN, B is equivalent to 2.4 kN, and theta is 30 degrees. Number 1, determine the angle beta if the resultant of the three forces acts along the y-axis. Actually, this kind of problem is napakadali. Ayan, wawang yabang. Hindi. Simple lang po kasi talaga itong problem na to. Pero karamihan sa mga estudyante, nakalimutan na to. Ayan. Ano yung nakalimutan nila? Yung term na resultant. Bakit? Kasi mas sanay tayo sa term na equilibrium. Hindi ba? Minsan, ang akala ng mga estudyante, ang equilibrium is kaparehas sa resultant, pero hindi po siya parehas. If we say resultant, that is the overall results, kaya nga sinabi natin results, di ba? Resultant, kaya results, or overall effect, okay, ng mga forces sa isang structure or sa isang force system. And this kind of force system is concurrent force system. Bakit? Kasi yung ating force A, B, C ay nagtugma lamang, okay? Or nag-intersect sa one common point dito. Okay? So, kung gusto ninyong matutunan yung talagang concept ng resultant, pwede ninyong i-visit ang aming munting channel na CEBOX. So, punta lang kayo sa sa playlist na Statics of Rigid Bodies. So, kung naka-desktop kayo, pwede nyo tong i-open. Actually, pati para sa mobile phone. Ayan, so i-click nyo lang to. Ayan, so pwede nyo puntahan yung kahit anong playlist na gusto nyo puntahan dito. So meron mechanics, structural theory 1, and structural theory 2, steel design, pre-stress, and so on and so forth. Then, kapunta nyo sa status of rigid bodies, punta kayo sa chapter 2, which is the resultant of force system. So kapag pinuntahan nyo yan, meron tayong introduction and ayan, 6 problems para sa ganitong type of problem. Okay? So, isolve natin siya. Okay? So, yes, by the way, ang equilibrium naman is, i-resist natin yung overall effect ng resultant. Yan. So, isolve natin. Ang sabi rito, ang resultant daw ng three forces natin ay nag-act along y-axis, pero walang given na resultant na value. So, anyway, sige, check lang natin muna kung kaya natin siyang isolve. So, ang resultant, okay, so for number 1, ang resultant kasi is equivalent to square root of summation of forces vertical squared plus summation of forces horizontal squared. So sa mga disanay, ang FB is Fy, ang FH is mga forces along x-axis. Ayan. So kung ang ating kasi resultant is along y-axis, therefore yung ating FH is equivalent to 0. Kaya, yung ating R is equivalent to summation of FB and, okay, and yung ating summation of forces horizontal is equivalent to 0. So, ito 0, siguro mas maganda na unahin muna natin yung summation of FH kasi wala pa tayong value ng R . Okay, so sige, unahin natin yung summation of FH. Then, assume natin lahat ng to the right is positive. Ang A natin is to the left, so negative A. Ang A is 6 kN, then theta is 30 degrees, no? So if this is 30 degrees, so ibig sabihin, ang ating horizontal component is cosine, okay? So cosine 30 degrees. Then ang B is to the right. So, ayan, sige, pakita natin yung kanilang behavior, no? Ang ating A is kasi upward to the left. Ayan. Then ang ating B is upward to the right. So ang ating B is positive kasi to the right is positive. So B is 2.4. Then beta. So this is cosine of beta. Then plus C. Ayan. Ang ating C is naka-horizontal na siya. Okay? Ayan. Then ito equivalent to 0. So, meron tayong dalawang unknown, B and C. Okay, so, siguro transpose natin to, no? So, 6 cosine of 30. Transpose natin. So, 5.20. So, maging positive, no? So, this is 2.4 cosine of beta plus C is equivalent to 5.20. Equation 1. Next, mag-summation of FB tayo. Summation of FB. Okay, assume natin lahat ng upward is positive. So, positive A, which is 6 kilonewton, no? Multiplied by sine of 30 degrees. Then, plus B, sine of beta. Okay? So, yan siya. So, kung napapansin ninyo, marami tayong unknown. Kaya nga, nung una pa lang, para nakataka na ako. Dapat kasi, may value yung R. Or at least, may value man lang sana yung C para agad natin makuha yung beta diba? So, try natin kung ang value ng C natin is yung 4.6 which is yung given sa number 2. Okay? Kasi ganito yung diba? Mga problems sa board exam, medyo may mga error. Okay? So, try natin. So, if ang ating C is 4.6, so transpose natin, no? So, magiging 5.20 then minus 4.6. Ayan. So, 0.6 ito, no? Then, divided by 2.4. Okay, so 0.25. Then, arc cosine, no? Arc cosine, ayan. Arc cosine of the answer. Okay, 75.5. Ayun. Saka lumitaw yung 75.5. Okay, so assume na lang muna natin. Assume C is equivalent to 4.6 kilonewton. So, at equation 1, okay, ang ating 2.4 cosine beta is equivalent to 5.20 minus 4.6 which is equivalent to 0.60. Kaya ang ating beta is equivalent to arc cosine of 0.60 over 2.4. Kaya ang ating beta ay 75.52 degrees. And so medyo tricky tong ganitong question. Pero yun nga, payo ko sa inyo, if wala mang correction itong problem na to, it's either given yung C or given yung resultant man lang. Okay? Kasi kung given ang resultant dito, ayan, ang mangyayari kasi, since may value to, ang na natin is yung beta, no? Ayan. Ayan, meron rin pa tayong value ng B, no? Ayan. So dito, masolve na rin kagad natin yung beta. Ayan. At least yung resultant or yung C ang given dapat. Okay? So number 2 tayo. What is the resultant of the forces if C is 4.6 and beta is 45 degrees? Ayan. So 45 degrees ang ating beta ngayon. So madali na lang. Okay? So mangyayari, hindi na hindi na 0 yung ating FH. Okay, kasi meron tayong force na na C. Okay, tapos meron din tayong horizontal component ng A and B. Okay, so R is equivalent to square root of summation of FB squared plus summation of FH squared. So, summation of FB upward is positive. Yan ang assumption natin. This is A, which is 6 kilonewton multiplied by sine of 30 degrees, then plus B, which is 2.4. Sine of beta na 45 degrees. Okay, yun na. Kasi ang sin natin is naka-horizontal naman. Okay, so makukuha natin ang summation of FB. 6 sine of 30 degrees plus 2.4 sine of 45 degrees. So, 4.70. So, positive, no? Positive ang nakuha natin. So, positive 4.70 kilonewton. So, since positive, ibig sabihin, ang nag-govern dito ay upward forces. Next, summation of forces horizontal. Assumption natin, lahat ng to the right is positive. So, ang ating A is negative, no? Negative cosine of 30 degrees. Then, ang B natin ay to the right. So, 2.4 cosine of 45 degrees. Then, ang C natin ay to the right. So, plus 4.6. So, this is negative cosine. Then, plus 2.4 sine 45. So, ito cosine. Anyway, same lang naman ang sine 45 and cosine 45. then plus 4.6. So 1.10. Positive 1.10 kilonewton. So since positive, ibig sabihin ang nag-govern na forces ay to the right. So masasolve na natin ngayon ang ating R. Therefore, R is equivalent to square root of A squared plus B squared. Ang A natin is 4.7, FH is 1.10. So 4.83 kilonewton. Actually, kulang pa nga ito eh. Kung ako man ang examiner, gusto ko meron pang direction, no? So, ang direction natin yan is manggagaling sa summation of FB and summation of FH. So, since this is upward and to the right, so therefore, ang ating R is upward to the right. Yan. Upward to the right. Okay, so ito yung ating final answer for the resultant. Then, number 3, okay, determine the force C if the resultant is 7.0 kilonewton along the x-axis. Ayan. And beta is 45 degrees. Ang unknown natin ngayon is yung C. Ito, 45 degrees pa rin. Then, ang ating resultant is nasa x-axis. Okay, so siguro burahin na natin ito ngayon. So, ito na ngayon ang ating bagong resultant. Along sa x-axis. Actually, kulang pa to eh. Dapat, meron along the positive x-axis ba or negative x-axis. So, dapat meron siyang direction. So, siguro, assume natin ang R natin is andito, no? Ayan. So, to the right, 7.0 kilonewton or along sa positive x-axis. Ayan. So, siguro dito, burahin natin to kasi di naman kasama sa no? Yan. Siguro ito na lang. Kasya pa ba rito? Okay. Sige, burahin na natin to. Ayan. Anyway, napakita naman sa calculator to eh. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, number 3. Kung ang ating resultant ay, nasa horizontal na lang, ibig sabihin, ang ating summation of FB is equivalent to 0. So, pwede na tayong magsimula dito. Then, ang ating upward forces ay positive. So, A is positive. So, 6 multiplied by sine of 30 degrees plus B na 2.4. Okay? Wait lang. Ang tinatanong kasi dito is Tinatanong kasi dito is yung C. For C, no? Resultant 7.0 kilonewton acts along the x-axis, no? Pero may value tayo ng A and B. Kompleto ang theta and 45 degrees. So, actually, nakakapagtaka lang. Bakit? Kasi, kung ang ating resultant ay nag-act sa x-axis, kasi kung check natin dito ang B natin is 2.4 and a 2.4 sine of 45 degrees, imposibleng mag-0 ang ating summation of FB. So, napagtaka lang. Sige, try muna natin mag-horizontal siguro. Since may given naman tayong summation of FB, no? Sige, try mo natin to. Summation of FB natin is 0 daw. Okay, based on our problem. So, ngayon, kung 0 yan, ibig sabihin, ang ating R is equivalent to summation of FH na equivalent sa 7.0 kilonewton. So, dyan tayo mag-start. So, summation of FH, assumption natin to the right is positive, is equivalent to A, na negative to the left, no? So, negative 6 cosine of 30 degrees, then plus B na 2.4 cosine of 45 degrees, then plus C. Ayan. No? Plus C na siya ngayon. So, positive ang ating 7.0 kasi to the right. So, positive 7.0 is equivalent to negative 6 cosine of 30 plus 2.4 cosine of 45 degrees plus C. Ayan, sabi ko kanina, madali lang, no? Madali lang siya actually, pero medyo, confusing yung yung mga tanong and yung mga requirements, no? So try natin. Cosine of 45 degrees then plus C. O mag-shift solve tayo para sure. O 10.5. 10.5 tayo. 10.5 kilonewton. So nakuha naman natin siya eh. No? Pero kasi ang tanong, paano magiging zero yung yung summation of FB? 'Di ba? Paano siya magiging zero? Nakakapagtaka lang. Kasi dito so possible siguro na mag-zero yan if andito yung B 'Di ba? Kung andito yung B, para maging downward man lang sana yung kanyang effect in terms of vertical. Kasi wala naman tayong problema dito kung to the right Ayun to the right siya. Kasi kung dito siya, downward to the right. So, wala tayong problema, di ba? Or at least, ito man lang yung A, magganito siya. Maggano siya downward, then yung kanyang is to the left naman. So, medyo confusing lang. No? Kasi, kung dito tayo mag-base talaga sa drawing lang, imposible mag-zero ang summation of FP. Kasi parehas na upward yung effects nila. No? So, mag-add lang sila. Hindi sila magma-minus. So, imposible summation of forces is equivalent to 0. But anyway, dito na lang tayo nag-start. Yan, sa resultant na 7.0 na nag-act along the x-axis. So, kulang pa nga dapat nakalagay positive x-axis. Okay, so yan. So, if you enjoyed and learned from this video tutorial, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications and updates on our YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!